guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Charmaine. So today's review and giveaway is going to be on this unit here, which is Neesha. It's Neesha by Outre, and I have it in the color 1B. Okay, so this wig has the regular construction. It does have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. It does come with a L part right here. It's a really tiny part, but it does come with the L part. And it also comes with a tiny bit of lace from ear to ear, which is not much. So it's not like lace that you can pluck the front and be able to like pull it back. And it also does not come with baby hair. Let's talk about this wig. Me personally, I don't really like this wig that much, but I do think that it's a pretty wig. I don't like the fact that it's so thick, like it's so big. It makes my head look so much bigger than what it actually really is. I mean, my head is big, but it's not this big. It is a lot of hair for me. Some people do like thick hair like this, but I'm gonna have to pass. I do like the layering that they have going on here in the front. I think this is like nicely done and it's very pretty. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, I believe. Yes, up to 400 degrees. So if these fall, you can always just use a curling iron and curl them back up. I wouldn't advise that you like flat iron it. I don't see a reason why you would, but I wouldn't. I would just curl these little here up so they can continue to fall the way that they're falling. I do like the way the hair feels. It's very soft. It gives you that natural look that your hair was just relaxed. You just got a relaxer and this is your hair after like rollers, after a set or whatever. Even though I'm not a fan of this wig, I still think that it's a really, really pretty wig. The only reason I'm not a fan of it is because of just how thick it is. But if it wasn't as thick or as long, I think it would be a really, really nice wig. This is how long it is. I'm really short. I'm only about 5 feet tall on a good day. So this is how long it is on me. If you're much taller than me, it probably won't be this long on you. What else is there to say about this wig? I wish the parting was a tad wider, or like you were able to like pluck it. Well, you probably can. Yeah, you probably can do a little bit of plucking, but you can always add like setting powder in between here to give the illusion that it is wider than what it actually is. What else? The hair does shed. It does shed a little bit, not much, nothing too crazy, but it does shed a little bit. Like every time I run my fingers through it, a couple strands come out, but nothing too crazy. And surprisingly, even though it's long and it's thick, it does not tangle. Like I can run my fingers through it with ease and it does not tangle at all. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Overall, I do think that this is a pretty wig, but I would not purchase it again for myself. It's just not me. I'm not into all this hair, but I do think that it's a pretty wig. So I'll go ahead and link down below different websites that have it. I think I got this from Sam's Beauty and I paid about $30 for it, $29.99. So if you're interested, you can check them out and I'll try to see if I can find other websites that has it as well, and I'll link it down below. Now, if you're interested in participating in the giveaway for this wig here, all you have to do is, of course, be subscribed to my channel. You also have to follow me on Instagram, which I will link that down below in the description bar. And you also have to leave your name, your @ name on Instagram so I can have a way of getting in contact with you and also verify that you're following me. that is pretty much it for this wig. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next upload. And subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.